How to make money with affiliate marketing by promoting products you already love. AKA your personal treasure trove. From starry-eyed consumer to affiliate marketing overlord, the saga begins. Greetings, marvelous creatures of the Vasiliverse. Are you stuck in your mundane, 9-to-5, coffee-guzzling existence? Are you hoarding products you absolutely adore, but they're just sitting there like decorative gnomes in a suburban yard? Well, pop the popcorn, because you're about to learn how to turn your product crushes into cold, hard cash. Welcome to the lols and OMGs of affiliate marketing for beginners. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. Your soulmates are products? Why not? Choose wisely. Rule numero uno in the affiliate marketing playbook: get freaking passionate. I mean, jumping on the couch Tom Cruise on Oprah passionate. If you don't believe in the holy sorcery of anti-frizz hair serum, who will? A lackluster endorsement will flop faster than a pancake on a Sunday morning. The point? If you're not your product's biggest groupie, your sales copy will have all the enthusiasm of a snail racing uphill. Becoming a product detective. Investigate, investigate, investigate. Alright, you've picked the products that make your heart go boom boom. Now you've got to know them like you know the lyrics to your guilty pleasure song. You know the one. Dive into the details, the fabulous features, the glowing benefits, and yes, even the unsavory drawbacks. 10 wristwatch is equivalent to a Rolex? Nope, didn't think so. Forge words into gold, the alchemy of content creation. Now that you're an unofficial PhD holder in your product, it's time for content creation. I'm talking viral level, jaw-dropping, share with your mother-in-law content. Think of yourself as the J.K. Rowling of product reviews, creating a spellbinding universe around your beloved items. Don't settle for mediocre. If Google were a person, it would be that ultra-picky date who won't settle for less. Impress it, and your ranking goes up. It's as simple as that. Shout it from the rooftops, or at least Twitter. Your content is ready and it's as dazzling as a disco ball. Now what? Hide it under a bushel? No. Light up social media like it's the 4th of July. Write tweets, make memes, create Instagram stories, TikTok dances, whatever floats your boat. Just get the word out there like it's breaking news and you're the journalist of the year. Your followers are your new PR team. When they share, their followers share, and soon you're trending like a celebrity nip slip. Create your affiliate dream team. Sharing is caring. You don't have to be an affiliate marketing lone ranger. In fact, it's better if you're not. Networking isn't just for corporate schmoozers. Partner up with other affiliate marketers, exchange tips and strategies, and even cross-promote each other's products. Think of it as having a study group for a really, really profitable exam. From zero to affiliate marketing hero, your legend awaits. Ta-da! There you have it. Your very own epic saga of how to be a master of affiliate marketing by promoting products you can't live without. So, what are you waiting for? A sign from the universe? Well, consider this it. Unleash your inner influencer and start making the internet your personal piggy bank. Vasiliverse, out!